Showtime, Unveiling the Spotlight. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into a common phrase used in English, showtime. Have you heard of it? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, when to use it, and the various contexts it fits into. At its core, showtime refers to the scheduled time when a show, performance, or event is set to begin. Think of a movie screening, a theater play, or even a concert. When the moment arrives to start, that's showtime. Over the years, showtime has evolved from its literal meaning. In popular culture, it's often used to express anticipation or signify that something significant is about to happen. For example, before a big presentation, someone might say, "It's showtime," to mean, it's time to begin and give our best. In casual settings, you can use showtime as an informal way to say, "Let's get started," or "Here we go." It might be before starting a game, announcing a surprise, or even when about to tackle a challenging task. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of drama and excitement to any scenario. So there you have it. Showtime is not just about performances or shows. It's a fun and catchy way to express that something important or exciting is about to commence. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you. Remember, English is full of such vibrant expressions. Happy learning! And until next time.